We in charge of ourselves, man. No programming. Remember that. So when the president tie Dancehall a roll through, a king, so we roll, one goat. Remember that, blood clot. Remember we not follow back, we are lead out for we just in our business.
When you see the fallout from it and people that cuss and say, yo, what kind of thing that Joshy? Cuss you and a cuss Masicka. You didn't expect that? It surprised you when people that cuss
as
about
me I
it.
say, never planned. So after I show one thing, like, me I say, yo, I never see cartel perform it, See, that's why I interview and them thing that make sense, isn't me? And certain artists need to do it because me go up on stage and say something.
Yo, me go talk about something where enough people don't catch. Because them a flip-flop, The way how them a flip-flop are like fish out of water, flip and a flop. Yo, and Masicka make a quick post and delete where him say, yo, I'm the king, and it would have sound like him still in the clash. So I don't know if him catch up on himself and delete it and ask quest time them for delete it, but we have it, you see me? Like him a throw shade off a tommylee same way and call himself the king and the goat. So we are talk a little bit about that. You see me? And interviews. Interview can bill you and interview can kill you. You see the tommylee interview, it bill him. You see the Josh interview, yeah, it kill him. Real talk, bro.
This is Real Talk.
Real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo people, we're back again with another episode of This Is Real Talk. And I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. Yo, and if you don't feel like a real talk me I make, drop a real talk comment, like the video, and subscribe to the channel if a real talk me I make. But yo, me not make the real talk yet. But by the time the video for end, make me know if a real talk me I make.
You know I think already. Not done, no boss, you mad for the ouch pussy. One! Believing on yourself, youth, I want to some batty boy. You mad? I want to some broke artist. I know what, man strength. Remember rich in the US, pussy. One! No look water down artist. Remember that. Antigua, we're there, we're active tomorrow. Remember no? Young and rich man, in a US man. Remember good no? Body no, ever clean. What you say?
Well, man, we outside now.
Alright.
One side now.
Alright, remember that. Some boy wash up man. Time up, brain tired, One side till the land side.
Yo, so people, I want to ask, I want to comment section. I want to control the comment section. I want to ask, what do you think? What is wrong with Masicka? Because remember say Masicka fi do the next song, Yeah, tommylee do the last song, so Masicka. So what him do? Him done with the clash and gone back to trolling. And that it look like to me. And then why him delete it and why him ask quest time and me endanger them fi delete it? Because me I hear say yo, a quest time everybody get it from And when you go back, it gone. So it look like him tell them say yo, take it down. Like what I got through Masicka brain, like him confused, like since the whole Sumfest thing, Masicka career hasn't been the same. You see me? It's a roller coaster for Masicka. So me don't know. To me it look like him catch up on himself and say, yo, you know what this look like, say me still in the clash. Him catch up on himself and take it down because tommylee can easily well do a next song right now and rub him out again and then him have to go answer, or if him not answer him, it'll look more weak pan film side. So he make another mistake. Yo, the man them in a dancehall and make a bag of mistake. Anytime them go up against Vybz Kartel, be a mistake gonna make, Yeah, cause you shouldn't have go up against Vybz Kartel in the first place, cause Vybz Kartel not trouble nobody. You see me? Yeah, but left it in the comment where uno think. That's how me interpret. You see me? So it look like say in catch up with himself because this would sound like a declaration of war. You see me? Like you're still in the war and me a fire a shot off a tommylee. Yo, your brain weak. Yo, no boy, you're still a follower. Yo, you're not rich. You're broke. Bro, the man just do an interview with the fix and a lot of people never know say a female stat, which you still a talk about rich and broke and real US money, and some people say a Vybz Kartel matter about a nonsense that because you can't bring riches to Vybz Kartel. So either him still delusional and the war. You see me, the crunk them where him get in him skull, yeah, him discombobulated right now, so him a talk some nonsense. But a tommylee him a talk, man. We all know say another Vybz Kartel, you can't bring riches and US rich and all of them language the way I use, you see me? So I must tommylee matter, but Let me know when I comment. Make we talk about the rest of the topic then, cause remember we not stay long over here so.
When you see the fallout from it and people that cuss and say, yo, what kind of thing that Joshy cuss you and a cuss Masicka, you didn't expect that? It surprised you when people that cuss
As me
about
I
it.
said, never planned. So after I show one thing, like
So as me say, Joshy a flip flop. Remember, you know, people have it for say them plan it up, zine, and them own up to it. In the clash, them a say, yo, crash them party and them a make it look like say, yo, them willfully go up on the stage and disrupt the whole entire thing. And see right now, you see to him nervous. Me telling you from yesterday, you see to him nervous. Him just a chatter galang so, and him not even know what him say. So right there, so him just admit say, yo, it never plan. Me just go there and say, yo, them not bad like your shoes lace. We never plan up nothing. And me would have already explained this, say, yo, them not plan up nothing, bro. Like, them not so skill and them not so brave for plan up something and execute it so properly. You see me? So him just confirm it. So for the people where I give them too much credit and I say, yo, them plan it. Them not plan nothing. Either I'm drunk like when Masicka say I'm drunk and him just come out there or, yo, he's a man who just not know himself, bro. You don't want a man like that in your circle. And as me say yesterday, people where keep on and say, yo, me rate Joshua cause him a talk in mind and enough people not talk them mind. You don't want a Joshua in your circle. You don't want somebody like Joshua around you. You see me? Because I flip flop that, you know. You know say, yo, crash them party and one bag of thing I know you say, yo. And now you say, yo, it's a mistake. A buck ups it happen by. We never plan it. So make up no mind if you don't plan it. But me don't know say from day one say I no planting. Them just own it up to people and say, yo, I them plan it. You see me? And now him come back again and I say, them never plan it. So it's Jaja. Alright, and the last topic. Him claim say, yo, people fi do more interviews and bro, the interviewer, yo, it's like Joshie have more it interview than it song. Like every time this man do an interview, it always go viral for the wrong reason. You see me, the first time I saw them shot him like him foot and him forward out and this Anthony Miller and say, yo, Anthony Miller splice up him interview and style him. And now me see him over upon him Instagram page like him say a corruption, like him say they fix them style him too, you know. Bro, this a man here, him not have no sense. Like that's why him drink before him go up on the interview, you know. Yeah, that's why him drink before him go up on the ER interview. Alright, so me don't know if the weed never strong enough or how about be a flip flop and if yo, whole heap of things the man say where me can point out, but yo, it don't make no sense me point out every single thing where him say, cause by right, Joshua not really nobody neither, you know, bro. So when Joshua found out and say, yo, Cartel and my artist, he not really bear no weight, you know. Yeah, I just like one vlogger with all of this Vibes Cartel every day. You know them like a vendetta vlogger there? Where every day them get up on this Vibes Cartel. I would have the same thing with Joshie. He not really hold no weight. Yeah, so that's why I'm not going to point out every contradiction. Yeah, I'm not going to do that with Joshie because I waste of time. You see me? Yeah, but interviews it bill you and it kill you. And all of Joshie interview them, it always kill him. Yeah, all of Joshie interview them, it no work for him, it always work against him, and that's one of the reasons why you see him nervous too. That's why you see him a tremble and so nervous up the time. No say, yo, I want more interview this way. Them a take me for fool and papi show, you know. And it now go help my career, you know. So it look like all the while him a try get in front of the interview, but him cognitive skill and him ability to articulate himself, yeah, all of that I work against him. You see me? Because him illiterate. He's an illiterate youth, so I him for doing the interview. Yeah, but Gaza Nation, and I love the fuck it too, you know, cause watch ya. And them little man here, want go up against Vibes Cartel. Like, them little man here is no threat to Vibes Cartel now. Same thing, you do Alkaline, you know. Make Alkaline did feel like say him is a threat to Vibes Cartel, but far from the truth. And them little man here, worse, them little man here when I have no career. Yeah, I just entertainment for Gaza Nation still. You see me? It's a one day talk because him have to go back to him career where him not have, you know, after the interview, you know. And then we not hear from him again until him try a thing again, you see me? So, them man here is no threat and always them little man here always a try size up. You see me? But people, we reach the end, you know, and make me know if I real talk, me make anything what me say. And you know, if I type real talk, if I not real talk, me make, you know. Yeah, you can say, yo, a wrong talk or something. You see me, or a fart me talk or something. Yeah, man. But from a real time, I make you like the video same way still. and subscribe if a real talk me I make. And you see the arrow there, a point to the video there. It's a video from yesterday, so if you don't watch it yet, you can watch it right after this. You see me? Yeah man, I'm DJ Dreadbeard, and this was another episode of Real Talk. Signing out.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.